Oh shit. Oh my god. Got it. I hope that did not mess up my camera. Yes! Got some packages today. I know what these are. Battery for my camera. Another battery for my camera. Car charger for my camera. You wanna take a guess? Tripod. It's not a fancy tripod or anything. It's actually probably pretty cheap, but I needed something. Mostly I needed this piece. This will hold my phone. That will give me more steady balance on my time lapses. See? Just like that.
Bad popcorn and stinky feet.
Bad popcorn and stinky feet.
So like a salty, kind of buttery, clunky smell.
I think it smells like watermelon, bubblicious gum. Is that what it smells like? Bubblicious?
Bubblicious.
Bubble freshest, bubblicious.
They have Hubba Bubba.
Hubba Bubba. I think it smells like rotten, bubblicious mixed with like dirty feet or socks. Dirty underwear. I would go as far to say dirty gloves. Gloves never get washed.
That's true. I guess people don't really wash their gloves.
Have you ever smelled a pair of gloves?
Oh, you're talking from experience. Your little funny smelling gloves.
I have stunk up my fair share of fingerless gloves.
When I think of gloves though, like the first thing that comes into mind is Dr. Gloves. So that's why I was kind of...
Dr. Glove? Like the spandex gloves, latex gloves.
Yeah.
What did I say? Spandex gloves, latex gloves. SYL.
Or seize your life, maybe? Seize your life.
Question of the day. What does SYL mean? Show your love. Does that sound good?
Suck your leg.
Suck your leg. Suck your leg! It's the phrase of the day.
I like show your love is good.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Today's the last one. How are things
Unless I
going?
don't have to be induced, I hope I...
Well, have they told you the wise tale? Intercourse?
Oh, yeah.
I prescribe it. It's an interesting stand you've got there.
Oh, thank you.
Ow. my goodness.
That hurt?
Well, every time Sawyer moves, since these belts are so tight, he doesn't have room to move anywhere else but upward. So he's like cramming his body parts into my rib. It hurts so bad.
Man, they got you all hooked up here, don't they?
It's like he keeps kicking it.
Got some belly movement here. What's this thing called? A non-stress test?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty stressful for being a non-stress test.
It's stressful on me.
Doctor visit. So far, so good. One more day. One more day.
7 more days.
Or 7 more days. What is this thing? Hand sanitizer. How does it work? Is it automatic?
Yeah, you pushed up on that knob.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
It's all over
It's got
you.
sanitizer all over my face. It's on my camera.
Here. Shh, they can't hear you. I'm gonna crit it. It's in your beard.
Is it in my beard?
It's on the top of your...
Okay, so this thing is dangerous. I just got freaking sanitizer all over the place. Jenny said that you just push it up. So you have to like cup it. Okay.
It's on your camera. It's on the lens too.
It's on the lens? Uh-oh. All right. Doctor's appointment went good. We're not gonna have the babies tomorrow. It looks like she's gonna have to be induced, and it looks like that won't be till next Tuesday. So 1 more week. 1 more week. I'm gonna be a dad in 1 week. I'm just super excited. Anyways, I think Jenny and I are gonna go for a walk. There are a few rent houses in our neighborhood she wanted to take some pictures of for a friend. And then I'm probably gonna go downtown and shoot some time lapses before the sun goes down. So that's probably it for today. So until next time.